dog. Hello. Ruff, ruff. Now I'm George Washington. Hello, people. I'm George Washington. You don't know me. Just kidding. I'm Abraham Lincoln. I'm Abraham Lincoln. Hey. I'm a girl. Ruff. I'm another dog. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Silly clown. I'm a teddy bear. Ruff, ruff. Now I'm gonna be a Chinese man. Chinese. Wah, wah, wah. And that is Brody Raymond, the Hattie. Getting ready to do some photos. Some hearts, because I'm awesome. Happy birthday! I love it. It's not my birthday though. And then I'll add a mustache. And then the early said, yeah. Shot you with a bullet. Sucker. Stack of dynamite. Where'd it go? Dynamite. What? Oh wait, there's a stick of dynamite. I'm so happy today. I could just laugh. And I get you. I'm getting electrocuted. I know, I'm awesome. No, don't you dare touch me. Sorry to say, but I am done today.